Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the drill time of the chapter number 3, that is large numbers, as we have already completed the explanation part of the whole chapter. So today the drill time, that is the exercise questions, we are going to discuss. Today we will try to complete the exercise questions, and then in the next class we will go ahead with the workbook section. Fine. So students, let us recall a few of the things that what we have discussed in the previous class. That means about this chapter. This chapter we have learned about writing the 6, 7 and 8 digit number. In fact, 9 digit number also we have seen. We have seen the expanded form, we have seen the place values, we have seen the phase value. We have also discussed about you can say Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Fine. So, and finally we have in the last class we have discussed about the Roman numerals, that is how a number can be written in Roman numeral, and a Hindu Arabic number can be written in Roman, and Roman number can be converted into Hindu Arabic. So this conversion also we have seen. We have seen the rules about Roman numeral, how to write a Roman numeral. Fine. So including all these topics, let us start the drill time, because all the questions will be here in the drill time. So students, please take out the page number 47. In page 47 of the textbook, the drill time, concept 3.1, Indian and international systems of numeration. Now the question number 1 says that write the successor and the predecessor of the following numbers. So we need to write the successor and the predecessor. Now students, successor and the predecessor, if we say successor means how to find out the successor, that's just next number of the number, and predecessor means just the previous number. But to find out the successor we need to add 1, and to find out the predecessor we need to subtract 1. So let us start that question number 1, that is drill time. Question number 1. Now question number 1, first let us say take the question number A, that is 62591. Now 62,591. Now what will be its successor? What will be its successor? It will be 62,591 plus 1. We have to add 1 with this, so definitely we will get the successor. So what will be the number? 62,592. Obviously if you add 1, after that it will 91 will become 92. And what will be the predecessor? So predecessor, if you say 62,591 minus 1, we have to do, and when we do minus 1, what we will get? We will get 62,590. So this we will get. So this 2 will be the answer of the question number A. Now question number B, it is, so here it will be double S, 59,104. 59,104. So what will be its successor? It will be 59,104 plus 1, so it will be 59,105. Fine. And predecessor, if you say what will be the predecessor, it will be 59,104 minus 1, so it will be 59,103. So these 2 will be the answer for the question number B. So students, in this way you can go ahead with question number C, D and E also, because they are very easy question. You need to just do add 1 and subtract 1 from the answer. So question number C, D, E I am leaving for you as a homework, because these 2 questions I have done. Accordingly you can follow this and do the rest of the question, that is C, D, E. So C, D, E will be your homework, and there will be some more homeworks coming up. So let's continue. Question number 2. Students, you can pause the video and write down the format, how to do this match, and similarly you can follow the C, D, E also. Fine. Now let us go for question number 2. Now in question number 2, question number 2 says that separate the periods with commas and write the number names of the following in Indian and international systems of numeration. Now we need to write the number names in Indian also and in international system also, both. So but we have to put the periods, that means commas also. So I already told you that suppose without putting the comma, it will be very difficult for you to write down. So first of all, the first work we have to do is to put the commas. So question number 2, say question number A I am taking, that is 8724, then 92853. Let us take this number first. Now students, if I have to put the period first, so in Indian system, first let us write this in Indian system. So in Indian system, what will be the periods will come? 8, 7, 2, 4, 9, 2, 8, 5, 3. So let us put the commas first. If I say first 3 places will be the ones place, next 2 place will be for the thousand place, next 2 place will be for the lakhs, and then next 2 place will be for the crores. So we got all the periods here. Fine, as per Indian system. Because already I said that in Indian system, the periods will come first 3, then after that 2, 2, 2, like this. So let us start from reading from the extreme left. Now this is, which period is this? This 2 digit is in the crores place. So this means this 2 number is 87. So the number will be 87 crore. So we can write 87 crore. So this is the first part done. That means this 87 part is done. 87 crore. Now come to the next part, that is the lakhs period. That is how much? 24 the number is. So that means it will be 24 lakhs. So it is 24 lakhs. So this part is also done. Now come to the thousands period. That is 92 it is here. So it will be 92,000. So it will be 92,000. So it will be 92,000. Then finally what will come? 853. So the last 3, that is 853. So students, you can see the number name in the Indian system, it is now completed. You can say 87 crore 24 lakh 92,853 is the number name for this number in Indian system, because we have put the commas according to the Indian system. Now let us go for the international one. Now for international, you need to put the comma differently, because in international system we know the commas or the periods comes in a different way. Fine. So let us start with that one. So students, please note it down here. Please pause the video and note it down. I am going to wrap this one and I am going to write the international now. Fine. So please pause and write it. Now the next one will be the international system. So let us start. Same number it will be. So we have to do 2 times. So it is now international. Now in the international system, if you see properly, let us first write down the number 8724928553. Now let us put the comma according to the international. Now international students, if you remember, we have to put the comma according to 3 places each. That means each period will have 3 places. So this 3 place will be the first 3 place. That after that we have to put the comma. That means this is the ones period. After that again 3 place, 1, 2, 3. So here the comma will come. This will become the thousands period. And finally the next 3 will become the millions period. Fine. So that means we got all the 3 periods and there is no number here. So that means 3 places we got. Now let us see, let us try to read this particular place, that is the millions place, because ones, thousands and million comes in international system. Now it is a 3-digit number, that is 872. So we can read it like 872 million. So we will write 872 million. So this part is done. 872 million, that is done. Now come for the next part, that is the thousands place, that is 492. The 3-digit number will form 492, but they are sitting in the thousands period. So it will be 492,000. So this you can say the thousands period is also over. Now let us go for the final one, that is the ones period, that is 853. So it will be 853. So students, we already got the complete number in international system. This will be 872,492,853. So this will give you the international number in for this particular number. So students, here you can say there are altogether you can say 3 numbers are total 5 questions are given. In all these 5 questions you have to do in the same way. So one question I have done, I will give you as a homework, say question number D and E, the last 2 questions. B and C, what we can do is that you will try to write it down by yourself. Fine. So listen carefully what I am saying. Please write down this one, because this one I have done already. So you have to write down in your copy. B and C you will try to write down by yourself in the school copy itself. If suppose you are not able to do, then we are going to have a Zoom class on Thursday. In that, that means you can say the Zoom class, whatever, if you have any doubt, then that doubt we can clear on the next Zoom class whenever we will have. So at least you can keep a record of these 2 questions if you are not able to solve the international system or Indian system numeration. Fine. But D and E will be your homework. You can say B and C you can practice at home as a practice work. Fine. No need to send it to me. Just you try by yourself if it is possible or not for you to solve. If it is not possible for you to solve, I will definitely help you out. Fine. So that is question number 2. So students, I hope you have already written down the first one, Indian system and international system also. Pause it and write it down. Now let us go for the next one. That is question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the symbols. Fill in the blanks means we need to write down that which one is greater and which one is smaller. So that is we have to write. So question number 3, if I see, it is 4, 3, 4, then 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6. And on this side it is given 4, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6. We have to place the value, that means the symbol here, which one is greater or which one is smaller accordingly. Now students, let us first of all, what is the rule to compare? I already said you need to first compare the number of digits, that if they have the different number of digits or same number of digits. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit. That means both of them have 8 digits. That means it is not possible to decide whether which one is greater, which one is smaller, just by looking at the number, of digits. So what next I have to do? I have to go by the places now. I always start from the extreme left. That is the highest place. Fine. So this highest place you can say, this is in the, you can say crores place. So this is 4 crore and this is also 4 crore. Fine. So since they are same, 4 and 4, we cannot decide. Now let us go to the 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place, here it is 3, here it is also 3. So cannot be decided. Let's go to lakhs place now. That is 1 lakhs place. Here it is 4 lakh, here it is also 4 lakh. Because 4, 4, they are same again. Now come to the 10,000 place. In the 10,000 place, you can see there is 1, and in the 10,000 place, here it is 2. So you can say this 1 have the place value 10,000, this 2 has the place value 20,000. So obviously 20,000 will be greater, or indirectly I can say 2 is greater than 1. So which number will be greater? Definitely this number will be the greater one. So this is the way how we can compare, as already I explained the process also. Let us go for number B now. Number B, let us write down the number 2, 31, 98, 896 and 6, 87, 98, 541. Now here students, let us see how many digits are there first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same again, 8 digits. Let us start comparing from the left hand side. Here it is how much? 2. Crores place it is 2 and it is 6. So obviously which one is greater? 6 will be greater. So we have to say that this number will be greater one. Number C now. It is given 797 43 and 111 and then 612 41 and 845. Now students, let us see here also they are again 8-digit numbers. So here if you start from left hand side, it is 7, it is 6. So obviously 7 will be greater than 6, that is 7 crore. So this one will be the greater one this time, that is in number C. Now the last one, number D, that is 167 91 and 941 and here it is 17619 149. Now in this case students, again we can see that it is also 8 digit and this is also 8 digit number. So out of this 8 digit, let us continue from the left hand side. Here is 1, this is also 1, so they are same, we cannot decide. Here it is 6, here it is 7. So of course we got a difference here. That means this one is 7, so this is 6, so it is smaller, and this is 7 is greater. So of course which number will be greater? This number will be the greater one. So students, these are the questions that is from comparing, only to compare greater or smaller. Let us go for the next question, that is arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now it is about arranging. If you know how to compare numbers, then definitely you will be able to know how to arrange. Now they have asked us number 4 in question number 4 to do both, ascending also, descending also. Now students, it's very easy. If suppose you have done the ascending one, descending one will be the reverse of that. So that means you actually no need to find out that what is descending again. If you found out the ascending order, just reverse the order, it will become the descending order. Fine. So let us go ahead with that. Please students, copy it down here. Okay, pause the video. Now let us go for the number 4. That is arranging. So first I will write down the numbers. 4A 8571 4781, 5729 4769, then 1837 2657. Now students, before starting the ordering, first of all you see that all of these numbers have the same number of digits or different number of digits. Let us count first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So students, we got a clear picture here. That means all these numbers have the same number of digits, 888. So of course we cannot decide by directly by looking at the number of digits. So let us go from comparing from the left hand side, that is the highest place, that is the crore. So here it is 8, here it is 5, here it is 1. So we got the answer already. So we are going to arrange them now in ascending order. Suppose now we are arranging them in ascending order. So ascending means what, student? Smaller to larger. Now smaller to larger means out of this 8, 5 and 1, which one is the smallest one? Of course 1 will be the smallest one. That means this number will come first, as ascending order means smaller to larger. So let us write down that one. 1837 2657. So this is the smallest one. Okay, after 1, this 5 will be the smallest because it is the greatest one. So we have to write this down here. That is, it will be 5729 4769, and finally the last one, that is 857 14781. So see, we got the ascending order so easily. Fine. Now your turn is to do the descending order. Now I already said, if you have got the ascending order, the descending order is the reverse of it. Fine. So let us write down the descending now. Descending order. Now descending order, I need to write, that is the greatest to smallest. Now greatest, out of these three, definitely this is the greatest, as we already came to know while arranging the ascending order. So just reverse it. The last one will become the first one, that is 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 7, 8, 1. Now symbol will be changed. Why? Because this is the greater one now, so the symbol, opening symbol will come towards this side. Then this will be in the center itself, because this is the middle value. Because it is the, you can say it is not the smallest also, not the largest also, it is in the middle. So this will come, it will remain as it is. And finally the last one, that is 1, 8, 3, 7, 2, 6, 5, 7. So this is the, you can say the descending order. So students, you can see we got already the clear answer of both the ascending and descending. Fine. So this is very easy. First thing you have to do is just compare whether they have the same number of digits or different number of digits. If they have same number of digits, start comparing from the left hand side. That's it. Fine. So number A I have done. Number B and C, they are different numbers. We can easily do. So you can say B and C will be your also homework. So because students, see why I am giving you these homeworks, because exam is nearby. How many questions you can solve by yourself, it will be a better practice for you only. Fine, because we are getting the class, you can say 3 times in a week. Otherwise we could have got the classes every day in school, but now we are getting only 3 classes. So that much of practice is not done, what we were supposed to do during the school days. So that is why I am giving some more homework from this drill time, so that the practice should be going on. So it goes on with you for that, because whenever you will be solving these questions, it will be a practice for you for the exam also. Fine. So question number B and C will be your homework. Number D we will discuss again here. Okay, so let us start. Please students, write down this format. In this format only you have to solve question number 4, B and C. Fine. So question number 4, B and C will be your homework again. So it will be your homework. So students, till now we have given homework like I have given question number 1. Question number 1 I have done A and B. So I said that C, D, E will be your homework, where successor and predecessor. Question number 2 I said B and C no need to send me, but D and E, that will be your homework. And question number 3, B and C will be your homework. Fine. And students, don't worry, no need to remember now which are the homework. I will just write down here and I will send it to you, the question number, page number, everything. Fine. Okay, now let us go for the 4D, the last one. Because this has so many 1 and 0, so it may create a confusion for you. So let us go ahead with that. So number 4, D. Yeah. 4D, it is given 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. The next one 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so we got the numbers here. Now let us start with the comparing. First of all students, as per I said already, to compare numbers, first of all you have to see the number of digits. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All are having 8 digits, so it is the same process. We need to start from the left hand side. Now let us start from, now first of all I am going to write down the ascending order. So if I write the ascending order, okay, now let us start from the left hand side. First is here 1, here also it is 1, here also it is 1. So that means the first place is 1 everywhere. So we cannot compare by this. Let us go for the next place now. That is the, you can say 10 lakhs place. Here it is 0, here it is 1 and here it is 0. Now students, we got some difference here. 0, 0, they are having same, but these have 1. So obviously which one becomes the greater? Because 0 and 0 are smaller, 1 will be the greater. That means both this number will be smaller than this number, since 1 is coming. So this will come at last. Why? Because this will become the greatest one. So we got the greatest. Now we need to compare out of these two which one is the smallest one. Okay, let us go by the next place now. Here it is 1, here it is 0. Now we got the difference again. Now you can see that here it is 1 in the 1 lakhs place, but here it is 0. So of course this will become the smallest one. Fine. So this will come first 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then the next one will be this one 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So and the next one will be this one. This is the greatest one. 0 1 0 1. Fine. So students, we got something like you can say what is the difference. What is the difference we have got? Say here it is 1 0 0. You can say something very interesting here. You see the last. You can say here also last 5 digit. You see 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Then you can say this one 1 0 1. Here it is the difference is coming. So you can say students that after all, when we are arranging them in the ascending order, you need to do only one thing. Please go ahead with the first number of digits. If the number of digits are same, then go ahead by the place values, that is from the extreme left places you have to see. Fine. So now we need to write down the descending order. Now to write down the descending, you have to just reverse the order. That means now this will be becoming the it will come in the first place, then 11 0 1 0 1 0 1. This will become the greatest. This will be as it is in the center, and this will be the smallest one 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the descending order. So students, let us try to read the number. So this is how much if I read now in Indian system. So by 2 places I am putting the commas. Okay. Now this is what? This is 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore. So they are same. This is 10 lakhs. This is 1 lakh. This is lakhs place is not there only. So obviously we can say 10 lakhs is the greatest one. 1 lakh is the small middle one, and there is no lakhs place directly. It is coming 10,000. So obviously that will be the smallest one. So if you recognize how to read the number, then also you can understand that which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest. Fine. Okay. So student, please copy it down. Number 4D. Now we'll go ahead with the concept 3.2, that is the Roman numeral. Now Roman numeral, students, 5 and 6 question it is given. Let us see that. Question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5 is write the following in Roman numeral. So let us start number 5. 5A, that is 983. Now if I have to write down in Roman numeral, first break the number 900 plus 80 plus 3. Now students, 900 we cannot write directly, so it can be written as 1000 minus 100 plus 80 plus 3. Now 1000 minus 100, 1000 means M and 100 means C. So C will come on the left hand side and M will come CM. Because when a smaller one is on the left hand side, then it is subtracted from the bigger one. So C is smaller, M is greater. So 100 will be subtracted from 1000. So 1000 minus 100, it will become 900. Fine. Now 80 we can write L, X, X, X. Because L means 50 and X means you can say it is 10, 10, 10. That is 50 plus 30, it is 80. And 3, of course, it will be 3i you have to put. So it will be the number in the Roman numeral. Fine. The next question is number B 804. 804. 804, let us break first 800 plus 4 you can say. Fine. Now 800 we can write as 500 plus 300 plus 4. 500 means, students, it is D. We have a direct symbol. 300 means we can write C, C, C. Because 3C means 100, 100, 100. So it will be 300. Now they will be added. Why? The bigger one is on the left hand side, smaller one is on the right. So it will be added. And 4, we already know the symbol of 4 is IV. So the answer will be BCCC IV. And there is one more number C 1481. 1481. So it can be broken as 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 1. Now 1000, students, we know directly that 1000 will be exactly as, say, you can say M. because 1000 has a direct symbol M. 400 we cannot write 400. It has to be written as 500 minus 1. Sorry, 500 minus 100. Fine, because 400 we cannot repeat the C for 4 times, because C 4 times if we read it becomes 400, but that is not the rule. We can repeat a symbol for maximum 3 times. So it will be 400 will be written as 500 minus 100. Now 500 minus 100 means it is C and 500 means it is D. So since it has to be subtracted, smaller one will be written first. That means we will write C D. Then what will happen? This C, that is 100, which is on the left hand side to the larger one, that is 500, it will be subtracted and it will become 400. 82 already we know, that is L, X will come, 50 plus 30, and finally 1. So this is the Roman numeral for this number. Fine. So students, please note it down this one, pause the video and note it down the answer. And this will be, till number C I have done, number D and E will be your homework. Fine. Now let us go for number 6. Now the opposite one we have to do. Write the following in the Hindu Arabic numeral. We need to write down, convert them into Hindu Arabic system. So let us do that one. Say number 6. Number 6, that is A, CLXX. Now students, CLXX, we can say that C means it is 100, L means 50, and XX means you can say 20, and all the smaller one on the right hand side of the bigger one. So all will be added. Now this will give you directly how much? 170. Fine. So that is CLXX. Next number B is LXVII. Yeah, LXVII. Now L means it is 50, X means it is 10, and VII means it is, you can say, 7. So of course the number will become how much? It will become 67, because all will be added again, because smaller one is on the right hand side, so they will be added. And number C, it is given DL. D means 500, C means L means 50, but since the bigger one is left on the left, smaller one is on the right, so they will be added. So what will be the answer? It will become 550. Fine. So students, these 3 questions also, please pause the video and write down the answers. And question number D and E will be your homework. That means I have given you each type of questions, at least 2 or 3 homeworks, so that at least you have a practice of all these questions. Now question number 7 left, that is a word sum, that is number A and B. That we will discuss in the next class. That means you can say on Saturday we will discuss it, and as well as we will discuss with start the workbook portion also. So today it will be a long video otherwise. So students, please do one thing. You have to now do the homework and send it to me properly. And if you have any doubt, then whenever we will have the Zoom class, then you can ask me about those questions. Fine. So students, I'm trying to have a chapter test also for the next remaining 2 chapters. So I will inform you accordingly. Okay. So let us meet on Saturday, and then we will have the workbook portion discussion and the remaining these 2 questions, 7, A and B. Fine. Thank you.